Delivering the science of certainty means building a company on innovation and integrity, a company as devoted to people as it is to excellence. It was on these values that Jack Gentry founded Positronic in 1966, and these values have remained a guide for the company to this day. Serving in the Navy during World War II and the Marines during the Korean War, Jack was able to work his way to the rank of captain. This experience would prove to be one that strengthened his exceptional character and greatly influenced his leadership style. After his military service, Jack began his career in manufacturing, where he also quickly rose into leadership positions. But Jack Gentry had a vision to start something revolutionary of his own, and that vision was Positronic. With Positronic, Jack wanted to manufacture high-quality, innovative connector products at a reasonable price. But it wasn't just excellent products that were important to Jack. He knew the importance of relationships too. Jack wanted to ensure that Positronic would care about its clients and the important work they do. Likewise, he knew that in order to build a long-lasting, successful business, he had to instill integrity, teamwork, and a sense of community within the company. The first products offered by Positronic were electronics equipment for the aircraft industry, mainly for avionics customers in the Midwest United States. These products were manufactured in Positronic's first facility in Springfield, Missouri. While this business was already prosperous, Gentry knew that growth and innovation were the key to the survival of Positronic, and the company set its sights on expanding in the late 1960s. At this time of expansion, tensions in Vietnam were growing, and trustworthy military-grade connector products were essential. It was then that Positronic had the opportunity to acquire Gorn Electronics, positioning them to fulfill the crucial needs of the U.S. military. Positronic's dependability in creating these mission-critical connectors set them apart, and military and avionics customers soon became a key focus for the company. These customer bases have remained steadfast for Positronic even to this day. But just like before, Positronic had to be ready to adapt quickly in order to stay on the leading edge of connector manufacturing. It was now the mid-1970s and early 80s, and the world was rapidly adopting computers, industrial electronics, test equipment, and telecommunications. As the race for technological advancements in these new industries began, Positronic saw the opportunity to capitalize on a new interconnect package size and footprint. The company began offering D-sub miniature, commonly known as D-sub. These connectors use both power and signal contacts to perform their intended function, helping Positronic expand and create new innovative products. But D-subs didn't prove to only be helpful on Earth. They were also found to be incredibly useful in space. New satellites were being launched in quick succession as mass communications and early models of cell phones were being invented. The D-subs proved to be a good fit for these satellites and the mission-critical performance required for space conditions. Positronic innovation accelerated and custom connector solutions were developed, along with dual-port D-sub connectors, combo D-sub connectors, and waterproof connectors for outdoor applications. By the mid-80s, Positronic opened manufacturing facilities in Europe in order to accommodate the growth of the company. The dawning of the personal computer age was quickly approaching, and in the 1990s, the World Wide Web, Amazon, Windows 95, and Google were changing the world. Positronic was at the forefront of global interconnect requirements for power supplies, resulting in new power connector series types. The company expanded yet again in the mid-90s, this time to Asia, in order to continue its growth and global reach. Positronic's commitment to innovation, excellence, and adaptability had kept it at the leading edge of the industry for decades. So what laid ahead in the new millennia? The early 2000s, unsurprisingly, brought more advancements and demand to personal computing devices. However, the dot-com burst and 9/11 shifted Positronic's focus to the military once again. The military worked with Positronic to guide the development of new D-sub series connectors and the patented Posiband closed entry feature on female contacts. Along with the increased military business, medical advancements also revealed new opportunities for connector products, including IP-rated solutions. Yet again, expansion was imminent, and Positronic opened a design and manufacturing facility in India, which resulted in the creation of new circular and rectangular products. Though military and medical fields were an important customer base for Positronic, the growth of digital technologies were too great to be ignored. In 2013, Positronic introduced its e-commerce site, PosiShop, to offer quick order and delivery of over thousands of in-stock connector products. Positronic now operates manufacturing facilities throughout the world, including the United States, France, Singapore, India, and Indonesia. Positronic is vertically integrated, which means that it has the capability globally to manufacture each of the components that go into its connectors. From conception, design, and tooling to manufacture, assembly, and final delivery, Positronic controls the entire process, allowing for superior quality control. Today, Positronic offers the largest variety of D-sub connectors in the industry, as well as a wide variety of power, circular, and rectangular connector products and accessories. The mission of Positronic is to be a global partner and world-class provider of the best innovative solutions for demanding interconnect applications. And customers continue to choose Positronic for its experience, product offering, and ability to support their technical needs globally. But most of all, Positronic's values have kept it an industry leader through the vast technological changes throughout its history. Integrity, teamwork, innovation, growth, and community. These are the values that Positronic members operate with daily in both work and life. These values guide Positronic's commitment to its customers, suppliers, partners, and employees around the world. From military ground operations to aerospace and beyond, Positronic connectors provide the one attribute customers need most: certainty. Positronic, the science of certainty.